Welcome to Autopedia, your ultimate destination for exploring the world's most expensive vehicles. Today, we dive into the stunning exterior of the Millennium luxury coach, a marvel of design and engineering. At first glance, the Millennium luxury coach exudes sophistication and power. Its aerodynamic body is a perfect blend of form and function, designed to enhance performance while turning heads wherever it goes. The sleek curves, combined with its bold and commanding presence, make it a masterpiece on wheels. The high-gloss paint finish is customizable to suit the owner's preferences, offering a mirror-like reflection that screams exclusivity. The front fascia is nothing short of spectacular, featuring an intricately designed grille and LED headlights that create a futuristic look. These lights are not only stylish but also provide excellent visibility, ensuring safety during long journeys. The sharp contours of the front end give the coach an aggressive yet elegant appearance, a balance rarely achieved in vehicles of this class. Moving along the sides, the Millennium luxury coach continues to impress. Its elongated profile showcases a perfect harmony between proportion and aesthetics. The large panoramic windows are seamlessly integrated, offering a streamlined look while providing a glimpse of the luxurious experience within. Chrome accents along the body add a touch of opulence, reflecting the meticulous attention to detail. The wheels are a statement on their own. Massive alloy rims with a polished finish give the coach an imposing stance on the road. These wheels are engineered not just for beauty but also for performance, ensuring smooth rides even on challenging terrains. The suspension system works harmoniously with the exterior design, offering both comfort and stability. At the rear, the Millennium luxury coach continues to amaze. The LED tail lights are crafted with precision, mirroring the design language of the front. The rear bumper is sculpted for both aesthetics and functionality, housing integrated features like backup sensors and a high-mounted brake light. The subtle branding and custom paint details at the back add a personalized touch, making it clear that this is no ordinary coach. In conclusion, the exterior of the Millennium luxury coach is a testament to the craftsmanship and innovation that defines luxury travel. Its striking design, superior aerodynamics, and attention to detail make it a true icon in the world of expensive vehicles. Stay tuned to Autopedia for more in-depth explorations of the finest machines ever built.